Hello everyone, I'm Nupur and welcome to my YouTube channel that is Impactful Learning with Nupur. So keep liking and sharing my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay? Students, today I would like to discuss the question answers of chapter 3, The Midnight Visitor, which is written by Robert Arthur from Footprints Without Feet book. As you all know that I already gave you a video which holds the meanings of difficult words from the chapter, character traits and summary with a message. The link of that video is mentioned in the description box of this video. Okay, so you can check that for better understanding, right? So now I would like to start from short question answers which need to be answered in 30 to 40 words. Question number 1, who is Ausable? So for this we need to write the character traits of Ausable. So Ausable is a renowned secret agent. Renowned means famous. Okay, he is very good at reading faces and minds of others. That means he is good judge of others' character. Right? Now the next question is, why does he different from other secret agents? So unlike other secret agents, he is a sloopy fat man. Sloopy means untidy. Okay? Who speaks French and German with an American accent and lives in a gloomy hotel. Gloomy means very dark or dull, okay? Which hardly presents any setting for any type of adventure, and this makes him different from other secret agents, right? Now question number 2, who is Fowler? So for this we need to write the character traits of Fowler. Fowler is a young upcoming writer. Upcoming means new. Keen on writing about espionage. Keen means eager. Eager on writing about espionage. Espionage means spying. Okay? He is not a good judge of others' character and gets carried away by people's appearances. Okay? So he is not judge of others' character. He is not a good judge of others' character. Next question is, what does he find when Ausable switches on the light of his room? So answer is, when Ausable switches on the light, they both find a man standing halfway across the room with a small automatic pistol pointed at them. Okay? Now, question number 3, who is Max? So for this we need to write the character traits of Max. So like Ausable, Max too is a secret agent, but he belongs to the rival institution. Rival institution means opposite. Okay? He is a resourceful person as he arranges a passkey to Ausable's room. Okay, now the next question is, what is his reason to become the midnight visitor? So the answer is, the report on the new missiles that Ausable is going to receive that night is important for him too. Okay, it is important for Max also, as it is capable to change the course of history and is his reason to become the midnight visitor. Okay, so this is the reason of him to become the midnight visitor. Question 4, what story does Ausable weave about the knocking at the door? So the answer is, who actually knocks at the door? So Ausable frames a story and tells Max that the knocking at the door is by the police. Okay, so he frames a false story and he tells Max that knocking at the door is by the police, as he has asked police to check on him by keeping in view the importance of missile papers. But Henry, the waiter at the French hotel, actually knocks the door. Ausable takes the advantage of this and thus makes Max nervous. Okay, so this is how Ausable frames a false story and tells Max about it. Fine. Question number 5, how does Max meet his end? So the answer is, Max becomes nervous because of repeated knocking at the door and he decides to jump on the non-existent balcony. Okay, so this is how Max meets his end. Fine. Question number 6, do you think Max is outsmarted by Ausable? Outsmarted means fooled. So the answer is yes. Max is fooled by Ausable because of Ausable's quick thinking. Ozable uses his presence of mind and weaves a story about the balcony, that non-existent balcony, to conveniently get rid of his opponent. And who was the opponent? Max, okay? Max was Ozable's opponent. Now students, let's discuss a long question answer which need to be answered in 100 to 150 words. So the question is, appearances are deceptive. Describe the statement with reference to the story, The Midnight Visitor. So first of all, deceptive means truthless. Okay. So answer is, opinions formed on the basis of the outward appearance are not always right. Okay. As in the story, The Midnight Visitor, Fowler feels disappointed on meeting Ozable as he finds him different from other secret agents. Okay, why? Because Ozable is Sloopy fat man. Sloopy means untidy, who stays in a dull hotel and doesn't find him an exciting spy. Okay, exciting secret agent. Okay. Fowler later discovers that Ozable possesses the real qualities of a secret agent. He is intelligent, quick-witted, capable of handling complicated situations. The way he outsmarts means fooled Max by framing a story about the presence of the balcony and claims that the knocking at his door is being done by the police, which makes Max nervous and he jumps on the non-existent balcony and meets his end. This actually proves Ozable as the winner and justifies the statement that appearances are deceptive. Okay, so students, as you can see, I have given you detailed explanation of the question answers, and believe me, if you go through all these important question answers, then definitely you will be able to score well. Okay, so just read them time and again, and you can write your suggestions or comments in the comment box section. Okay, so keep liking and sharing my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Impactful Learning with Nupur. Thank you so much.